In this video, we show how to replace a riser 4 blank on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. Alright, with the cover, air shroud, and risers 3 and 5 removed from the system, to remove the riser 4 blank from the system, loosen the captive screw that secures it in place, then lift the riser blank out of the system. To install riser 4 blank, align and lower into the system, then tighten the captive screw to secure it in place. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.